And welcome to the super fun, awesome, happy time. It's a RAD Distortion pedal show day. My name is Gabor.
Hey, welcome along. I'm Alex. We're going to check out this pedal today on a pedal show, doing pedally things. We're going to pedal it to you. Hey, see what it is. Hey, please like and subscribe on the channel. Ding the bell. What do you else do? Subscribe, like, comment, all that stuff.
Yes. That's why I do the bad jokes.
It's come all the way from Melbourne from Darron. Thank you very much.
Yeah, so this was provided. So this is what you would call a sponsored video. So the RAD distortion. There are multiple RAD distortions in the Dazatronyx lineup. This is one of them. So there is a 3-knob version, and we did a video of it. You can watch up here.
Yep.
There's this 4-knob version, and then there's a bigger one now too. I think with 2 switches as well. So this is the 4-knob version. I think one of the main things is this control was an internal control on the other one, but it's now an external control.
Inside the RAD.
Inside the RAD.
Yeah.
So it's based on a RAD style thing. Now, and I'm going to read this from the manual because most of the stuff is a bit for me, so I don't quite understand it. But for people that want to know, so this has got 2 stages of distortion. First, it overdrives the Metal Can 308 amplifier into fuzz. Then it recovers some shape by further compressing the signal using hard clipping silicon diodes.
Oh, good.
Now, you've got basically like you would on a RAT as well. I guess it's opposite with tones. It's not like a filter, but you have a similar sort of, you have a tone, volume, and gain. The hair control dials the mid-high drive saturation. So turning it completely to the right is basically classic RAT. Mm-hmm. Turning it to the left, it achieves a full flattened response. This is a variable version of the Reutz mod, whatever the Reutz mod is. R-E-U-T-Z, Reutz.
There you go.
So yeah, basically, if you that way, it's like a normal RAT.
It gets really aggressive.
Or RAT style.
Like angry up top, and it smooths out as you go left. Yeah,
so this is grumpy RAT. This is sort of more mouse.
With a monocle.
Friendly mouse with a monocle.
Yeah. Classy rodent.
So should we try it all out now? Setup.
Sure, we're going through the Mozztronics Amp Switcher in the rack into a Cherry Tone OTS Mini 20. Head, which is set clean. And 2-nose Torpedo Captor X to the cab, sims, IRs, and reverb and stuff.
Yeah, yes, room sounds and reverbs from that. And this is sort of a Dumble-esque kind of clean. Now, let's do everything at 12 o'clock and see what happens.
Clean tone Larrivee.
People always ask about this guitar too. So it's
a Larrivee
RS2, I think. So that was a bit of, let's turn it off for now. There's a little bit of line 6 Echo Pro delay in there as well. It just makes it smoother, much smoother. So with it all the way up,
it's pretty hairy.
Especially when the tone goes sort of past 12 o'clock, it gets quite hairy.
The other way, way more bald.
Yeah. Way more.
Waxed, if you will.
So let's find a sound you like on the normal setting. Let's check out this hair control, right?
Sure.
So do you like that sort of mid gain or lower gain, or do you want more gain?
Yeah, let's go medium. That's kind of good medium, crunchy.
And it's find a tone sort of that works. Maybe some of there. So like that sort of stuff. Happy with that?
Oh, amazing.
Amazing. Okay, let's check out this hair control. So it's now on standard kind of ratsness.
All the hair.
Let's go to...
So much hair. Maybe it's got to mullet setting.
Increase male pattern balding as you go the other way.
Okay, right.
You can have the gain almost all the way up. Not the gain, the tone almost all the way up.
Yeah.
And it just rolls off. It and smoothifies it. Should we just check it? Okay, so now with this rolled down a bit and maybe the tone up here, let's check out the gain. So let's crank the gain. You know what I reckon? That's like a more rhythm sound and a more lead sound. Because if you go that way, it cuts more. I think the 2-button one actually can have 2 different settings or something like that. Sure. So maybe that's the kind of thing. I think that's really cool because RAD often for rhythm playing is almost too harsh. And then you dial the filter down.
That's so funny because I was thinking the other way around.
Oh, really?
Yeah, like lower gain but more hair, a bit more mullet. And you can get like
don't do mullets, people. There's nothing good about a mullet. Sorry, that's just a community.
You can do the power clipping.
Community awareness, you know.
And then for a rip and solo, a bit more that, bit more that.
Really smoothened it. Okay.
Yeah.
Wouldn't it cut more?
But you get more mid-range, like poke without getting aggressive, and you can push it louder.
I guess maybe.
Yeah.
Well, speaking of pokey guitars, let's try this one. So this is Fender Aerodyne Special Telecaster, made from a newish sort of Aerodyne series made in Japan. Gorgeous guitar. Look at that with the matching headstock. Doesn't that look good? We're very blue today with guitars. Now I'm just going to start off on the bridge pickup. It sounds like this. Same setting. Oh, yeah, whatever, yeah. It's a little bit of echo. Sounds good. That's like the what's his name? Tom Morello thing, the Tele neck pickup. Oh, What's a Tom Morello riff that doesn't rip off a Tom Morello riff for copyright reasons? Okay.
I like how it's distorted and cool, but it also still sounds like a telly.
Yeah.
It's
Oh, yeah,
still
it does, yeah.
Heaps of clarity.
It also feels like less gainy. Or perceived less gain.
Got another Aerodyne special guitar.
Stratocaster. Get the trembo out of the bag.
Wiggle stick in the place.
Yeah.
Very cool.
Let's quickly...
Demos of these coming, so like and subscribe on the channel.
Yeah. All of these. This one as well, which is a lovely looking guitar. They look so lovely. This is the Elemental series, made in Japan, Elemental series Jazzmaster, which is just lovely as well. And it sounds less rad. It sounds like this. Sorry?
That's interesting.
Cleans up nicely.
It's kind of clarity with this fuzziness.
Let's go cosplay. That's cool.
Right on.
I like that. Let's do one last quick thing.
Yo.
Or is there anything else you want to do? I think, because it's a RAT style pedal, you need a guitar with an aluminium neck made by Robot Graves, a tunable harmonic resonance device tailpiece made by Robot Graves, or Third, a mastery bridge, some pickups from Mr. Glyn's, like this Drake, for example, and a body made by Parts Caster Concierge and tuned to C standard tuning. Don't we all need that?
Yeah.
And it sounds like this. And it's the same everything on full except for hair. It works with low tunings. It's a RAT style. Definitely works with low tunings. It's cool. I mean, in conclusion, oh god, this thing's heavy and it's just kind of sitting there. Please don't fall. Okay. In conclusion, Dazatronyx stuff is always good.
Yeah.
Buy Dazatronyx stuff because it's good. Now, Darron is one of those guys, and I'll show some pictures of the internals. I would have probably done it already. If not, it'll be up now. You look at the inside, and it looks beautiful, all the stuff. Only top components. He's really one of those guys who does absolutely meticulous work. So, check out... I'll put up a whole playlist of Dazatronyx stuff we've done. And there'll be more for sure, because this stuff is really, really good.
Very cool. Yeah, I love the clarity of it. And what do you guys think? Leave a comment below. Do you like it?
I mean...
Do you have one?
RAT style pedals in general, I think it's one of my favourite sort of overdrive distortion designs.
It's a pretty main food group in the distortion world here.
And I think his take on it is one of the
well.
better ones as well.
Good stuff.
Just my personal opinion.
Also, links below to socials, podcasts, and all that good stuff. Check them out if you got a second.
Please do.
And should we see you all soon in the internet?
And check out the Dazatronyx playlist here now. Click on it.
See ya.
Click on it. Click on it. Click on it.